Yo, what's up? It's Ben with Digital Dreams, and today we're taking you to another factory. Yes, we love factories. Kirsten in the office loves going to factories. We're going to go to the Oak Ridge Winery in Lodi. We're going to show you what we've done. We started this project back in 2016 or 2017. The customer had some IP cameras installed by a company. They spent a bunch of money. They could never get it working. They had to come find us. We then rewired everything the previous company did. After only having the system for like 2 months, we fixed it. We put wireless bridges all over this property. I don't even know how many acres it is. I don't know, maybe like 10 acres. And over the years, we've done some other upgrades. And currently what we're doing right now is updating them from a standard IP system to a Verkada camera system. And we're going to show you what we did there. Let's check it out. This is the entire factory they have. As you can see from new Chris's aerial shots here, our drone shots, this place is pretty big. And the original feat was us getting wireless access points across this whole network here. And I think there's a total of like maybe 60 cameras on site. And I think right now we're adding, replacing some of the crucial views that they have with Verkada. And that's what we're doing. Let's check it out. Got Keith there flipping the camera. He's about to exchange one of these IP cameras right here in the front as they catch every car that comes in and out. So that's the one view that we're doing right now. We're modifying the existing junction box to adapt to this backplate for Verkada. So Keith's aiming the camera right now off of his phone, so he's watching the live view. That's what he was doing there with that cell phone. That camera right there, we didn't replace. Keith was just actually testing and re-terminating that wire to see why it wasn't working, so we fixed that one. This is their bottling room. This thing's crazy. This is another camera they were having problems with, so we're just servicing this one while we were there. And this room right here, we are, it's like their main lobby, like their tasting room. And we're updating that camera dead center to the Verkada so that way they can watch what's going on the Verkada platform. The thing's been there for a while. This is the new one, the new CD41. So that was one of the cameras. Now Keith is in their bottling plant, and this is where all the wine gets bottled and packaged. It's a crazy system. They like run through this whole conveyor that takes the empty bottles, cuts them open, fills them up, brings them back around the plant, reboxes them and tapes them back up. It's pretty crazy. So in this huge facility, we had to run a new wire across that entire warehouse there, and you'll be able to get a view of that. We first put their Verkada fisheye up on the ceiling. It wasn't giving them the view that he wanted, so we're relocating it to the wall on an angle mount. And that's what Keith's doing today right now, is get the customer a better view. So this is that angle mount that we're putting the fisheye on. CF81E, Verkada CF81E. That's the camera we're putting in. installed, but to show you the view. So that's the actual view it gets. As you can see, the packages rolling through that conveyor belt system there. It's sick. So that one camera actually covers like that entire, it's like a 40,000 square foot warehouse right there. This is one more Verkada camera that we added, and another high visibility point that the customer wanted to pay attention to. This is us just converting that thing over. So that's it, just a quick video of a project. We actually did that project sometime in 2021. We just haven't had time to get back around to edit it. We've been there a couple other times since then, and the customer is loving the Verkada product. So as cameras start to break along the property, they're not replacing the existing IP cameras, they're throwing Verkada in its place. They have a couple other cameras that they want to update that we have coming up. We have a couple estimates out on, and we're waiting to hear back from them and show you guys another video of that property. Maybe we'll get some more drone shots and show you our whole array of Wi-Fi that we have gone along around there. So thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one. Later.